Hello friends, I am Randeep. Welcome to my Technical Raj. And today in this video I am going to talk about top three tricks, top three computer tricks. Let's begin. Number one, we have how to know the password of your own Wi-Fi in a shortcut method. Let's do it. Go to Windows plus R and write CMD command prompt. Then after that you have to you have to write NETSH, then space WL, then space so PROFILE profile. Then after that you have to write your Wi-Fi name. My Wi-Fi name is HGU E5E6 2. Let's write it. HGU E5EEC2. Then after that you have to write key is equal to CLEAR, clear. Then after that you have to click enter. If you click enter, then security setting, go to security setting and watch there is key content. In key content you will find your password. Okay, this is my password. Then let's go to next trick. The next trick is about go in PC, your computer. If you want to hide this drive or this drive, any of the drive, then click Windows R. Windows R is in Windows R you have to click GPED IT.MSC, then click enter. If you click enter, then local computer policy will open. In this way you have to click in administrative templates. Go to administrative template and after that you have to go to Windows component. In Windows component you have to find File Explorer. Go to File Explorer, click to File Explorer. If you click in File Explorer, then you have to search hide this specific drive in my computer. Double click that. If you double click, then you click in enable, restrict all drive. If which drive you want to hide, select that drive. I want to select D, then apply. Okay, if you do like this and go and refresh, I will refresh it. If you see, then G drive is hidden. In this way we can hide our drive. And if you want to watch this again, G drive, go same method, go to R, enter, then go to administrative Windows component. After that you have to find File Explorer. In File Explorer there are click there, then you have to do disable. If you do disable like this, then go OK, then refresh it, you will find a D drive like this. Okay, let's go to our third most important trick. It is very important trick. Important not, it is shortcut to open. It is shortcut to open text manager. To open text manager you have to there is very short method. You have to click in your keyboard CTRL shift plus ESC, then your text manager is open. Like this way you can open a text manager. Thank you guys, subscribe.